My last video was about a fire lookout that burned down, and here we are today, heading to another fire lookout, and would you believe that there's a fire very close to camp? We pulled off the highway to watch the helicopters do their work, and it was incredible to watch. Shortly after, we found camp, spent the night, and got ready for the trail.
Breathe, you're my friend.
Welcome back to Unwinding Roads. My name is Teddy. Got my 2022 Jeep Gladiator Ecodiesel behind me. We just camped out for the night, and today we're heading up to a fire lookout that we were just told we probably won't make it to. Apparently there's gonna be some snow, there's gonna be some mud. I don't know what to expect. I know what to unexpect. That was unexpected. That was a good one. I'm with Mike from Unexpected Offroad.
Heck yeah. We're gonna do it today.
He saw it as a challenge when they said that we wouldn't make it, so.
You never know somebody's definition of slick.
Yeah. So
Is
we're
it
gonna find out.
Overlanding slick or is it off-road slick?
It's a very valid point.
Oh, sorry, I'm using my outside voice.
All right, we're gonna hit the trailhead, air down, and head up. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
The mud was definitely slick, some of the slipperiest mud I've encountered to date. But our rigs are well equipped for such obstacles.
So we're rolling with Corey, who's got a blue taco on 35s, really nice rig. Manual transmission. Well done.
Thank you.
We got my 2022 Jeep Gladiator Ecodiesel. They don't come in manual, or I would have one. And we got a crazy LS swapped, not on purpose, but because his other motor blew. Hummer H2 on 37s with Mike from Unexpected Offroad.
450 horse.
450 horses.
Yeah. That's a lot.
Breaking news. A bunch of more rigs showed up. We're gonna do a quick walk. We're gonna stop at this one in particular. This is a Dodge Dakota on 42s. What a monster. Can't wait to see it out there. Let's go, let's hit this trail. Oh. Yeah?
What's it to you?
Wes from 4x4 Canada podcast led the trip for us. A quick rundown of the plan and we were on our way.
But yeah, no, it's
Lots of cattle up there.
Mike, you messed up. Mike messed up. There's a lot of unexpected things that happen. Mike messing up is expected. Here I am making fun of you.
I know, I messed up the whole shot.
And then I forget my tripod. Ah, thanks, Mike.
Yep.
It didn't take long for us to find that mud, but what can I say? We were happier than a pig in this stuff.
wheelbase, guys. That's where it gets a little more fun.
So this obstacle is nicknamed the Hummer Hole. It's a choose your own adventure type thing with a pretty easy bypass off to the side. The main road has been washed out, leaving a huge hole that was found by Mike from the unexpected off-road in his Hummer a few years back. Of course, Brian and his Dakota had to take the toughest line possible. Others took the bypass, and many of us took a in-between.
Am I hitting like the front crossover?
I think you're gonna
It's just your
have to
bumper.
move the drivers a bit more.
You're coming up. You're good. right, so this is where we're heading. We're heading to the Cornwall Fire Lookout, and Mike here is also a guide on OnX Offroad, and he's already put the trail in here for everybody to use. And how'd you do that, Mike?
I do track and record on the app, super easy. Map out your trail for the day, and then as a trail guide, I gotta take a couple photos of the trail, make some notes on how the trail is, if it's rough, if there's obstacles, anything like that. And then basically I take that back home on my laptop, on my PC, and then I upload that trail, upload the photos. I write a little blog about the trail, what's here, where to camp at, all the different little activities you can do. And so, yeah, it's pretty easy to use, and it's great to be able to share other other routes with people that can enjoy it.
And it's super helpful if you've never been up here before. You can just see the track, real simple. Now that we've been up here, we'll be able to do some trail updates so you know exactly what to expect for your trip up here. Now let's get back to the part where we're still trying to get back up here,
This was my first time I've been up on this route to the lookout, and it was nice. The beauty of these fire lookouts is that they're always way up in elevation. We had a big hill climb here, and this rig's 4 low had to be manually shifted. She opted to just give her the beans in 4 high and get the job done here, although she did eventually shift it into 4 low.
That worked out.
Coming up to the lookout was awesome as always. We got super lucky with the weather clearing up for the views. It was my best friend Mike's first time to such a place, so we made sure to sign the guest book. And after that, I just had to test my rig on this untouched snow on a road that circled the tower. Keep in mind, I'm at 18 PSI here. Usually I'd go down to about 8 PSI for the snow. But no complaints, truck did awesome. You may or may not have noticed that there was no drone footage in this video, and I do apologize for that. My drone decided not to work anymore for this trip, so I've sent it off and it'll be back for probably not the next adventure, but the one after that. Thank you very much for watching, you guys. If you do want to get a discount on OnX Offroad, there's a link in the description for that. If you'd like to get yourself some Unwinding Roads merch, link down below for that. And you can always join us over at Patreon. Anybody that's over there, I greatly appreciate your support. I'm always posting little behind the scenes stuff over there, as well as my hunting videos get posted over there. And please help me get this video out there. Drop a like or a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. Teddy's got a new drone to fix. Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.
Let's go!